Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to update your WordPress themes. And by the way, our WordPress environment was created using InstaWP. So this service has amazing free and pro features. Pro plans start at $9. So check out their website. It's instawp.io. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to update your WordPress themes and roll back the updates. And I'm going to be using Woostify for this demonstration. This theme has a free and pro version as well. But this method would apply to any other theme, including themes from the Envato Market or Theme Forest. So let's begin. Let's reload this page. So as we can see here, we have one update available. If we click this, we will see that the Woostify theme needs updating. So we have version 1.8.5 installed, but the latest version is 1.9.9. So we can simply click this checkbox, then click Update Themes to update this Woostify theme. Another method would be to go over to Appearance on the left, then click Update Now, or if we click on the theme itself, from this page, we can click Update Now here as well. So you can choose whichever one you're comfortable with. Okay, so we have updated this theme. Now I'm going to show you guys how to roll back the update. On the left, click Plugins. And here we have a plugin called WP Rollback. So this basically allows you to go back to a previous version of a plugin or theme. Sometimes a theme may be acting up or a plugin and you want to roll back its update until the developer gets it fixed. So this is a plugin that you can use to solve that problem. All right, so let's go back to Appearance. And we want to roll back the update for Woostify. So click on the theme itself. At the bottom right, click Rollback. And let's roll back this plugin to an ancient version. So let's select 1.6.0, click Rollback. All right, so we have just rolled back this plugin's version to 1.6.0. Okay, let's try the other method. Go over to Appearance, then click Add New at the top. Here, click Upload Theme. And you simply want to click Choose File to browse the file from your computer, or go to your download location and drag the zip file from there to the Choose File button. Once you're done, click Install Now. All right, so this is basically saying that we currently have Woostify version 1.6.0 installed, and we want to replace it with the uploaded version, the version that we just uploaded, which is 1.9.9. So this is exactly what we want to do. So click Replace Current with Uploaded. All right, so we have successfully updated the theme. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how to enable automatic updates. Go to Appearance, click the Woostify theme, then click Enable Auto Updates. So now updates for this theme will be scheduled automatically. And if you want to disable it, all you have to do is click this Disable Auto Updates link. Now let's go over to another theme. Let's select Astra. So let's enable auto updates for Astra by clicking the link. And if we want to disable it, all we need to do is click Disable Auto Updates. All right, so now you know how to update your themes in WordPress. If this video was helpful, don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.